Hello everyone and welcome to Street Smart. Steve here once again. Thank you for subscribing. Happy Thanksgiving to all as we head to the Christmas season. Welcome to everybody. I hope everybody has a great season. You know, I've told many of you before that my son has a site called That Dude in Blue on YouTube. Has about 1 million subscribers and has done really well. About 6 months ago, he decided to launch his own line of car cleaning products. Being a sales and marketing executive for years, I challenged him quite a bit on what his strategy was. And I told him, I said, you got to be able to answer 2 questions. One is, why should I buy your product? You got to be able to answer that question. And number 2 is, what makes your product different or better than everyone else out there? Meguiar's, Armor All, Black Magic. It's a pretty crowded space. Well, he teamed up with a guy in Florida, a manufacturer of these things, who really knows what he's doing. And he came up with a line of products. There's a link below that you can click on and go to pattersoncarcare.com. But I wasn't going to believe in the products till I tried them and used them. Well, the product I'm really big on, I want to highlight today, is it's the wheel cleaner brake dust releaser. When you clean a car, the car's not clean till you clean the rims. Cleaning the rims is a complete pain. Nobody likes to do it. Brushes, busted knuckles, scrapes, they take so much time. Nobody likes clean rims. This is the first product I've ever used where you spray it, you leave it on for a minute, it turns reddish, purplish, and the dirt and grime just slides right off. Then you just rinse it with a hose and you're done. I could not believe this product. Now, this product does smell. And it's because the active ingredient works. So spray it, let it sit for a minute, and then rinse it off. The product works, and you can see how much product you get for your money. You get a lot of product. It's really a good product. I stand behind it all the way. He has other products too. If you go to that site, pattersoncarcare.com, you can order any of them, including the samples if you just want to try small sizes for lower prices. They're out there as well. Another product I use is the car detailer. When it rains every 2 or 3 days, you only want to spend so much time cleaning your car. So you spray and you wipe. This product works really well. You can see also how much product you get. Once again, there's all kinds of products out on pattersoncarcare.com. I just wanted to share that with you today. It would help him if you tried some. And there's a lot of testimonials out there where people have sprayed that on their wheels just to see if it works out on YouTube. So you can go search there as well. Once again, thank you for joining me today. Thank you for all that you do during this holiday season. Remember, it all starts with having an attitude of gratitude, and you can do that by making a choice. Today, you're going to be happy, and ironically, the best way to be happy is to help others be happy. Have a great season. Have a great day. We'll see you next time on Street Smarts for Success. Thank you very much.